This is a recording from Osborne Vaux MATST tutorial. Bumper Beds Limited sells various styles of beds. The year ended is 31st March 26. Matt Bush, the accountant, has asked you to assist in some analysis of the year-end inventory using some of the information you previously produced in the Spreadsheet Skills for Management Accounts case study earlier in the chapter. The inventory summary has been copied onto the activities data worksheet. We need to save the spreadsheet in the appropriate location with the name given. Using the worksheet 2.10, which I've got open here on the right hand side, I need to copy it onto a new worksheet and name it NRV cost analysis and ensure everything can be clearly seen. So I'm going to go magic triangle, home, copy, new worksheet, paste special, and make sure it's on all. I want to make sure everything's visually seen, so magic triangle and then double click, and now that's looking nice. All right, I need to call that NRV, so just gonna call that NRV cost analysis. On the NRV, delete columns E and F. So E and F, right click and delete. I'm now being asked on the NRV, sort the information on the valuation method to filter the items between cost and NRV. So I'm just going to highlight all my data. I'm going to go to custom sort and I want to sort it by valuation method. As I want cost first, it'll be A to Z. There we go, cost and NRV. On the NRV cost analysis, use a subtotal to find the minimum inventory value of items held at cost and items held at net realizable. So I'm going to highlight my data again. I'm going to go to data, outline, subtotal. I need to select it by valuation method and I want to find the min. And as it's only the total that I can add up, I'll leave that as a tick. Click OK and I should have cost min, NRV min and grand min. I'm now being told on the NRV, find the maximum. So I'll go back and do exactly the same, but instead find max. Now I don't want to take out the min, so I'm going to take off the tick there and click OK. So now you'll see that I've got max, the min, the grand, both. Matt Bush is considering removing the queen size bed from the range and he would like you to produce a bar chart showing the amount of inventory held by bed size excluding midnight style bed using the information on 2.10. This one here. I need to create a pivot chart in a new worksheet named by size chart showing the number of beds held by size excluding midnight color. So I've highlight all my data. I'm going to go to insert and pivot table. I want it on a new worksheet, so I'm going to click on there. Now I want all the bed sizes, so I'm just going to make this big so I can see. So that's going to be in size and I want the total number. So size, make sure that's in rows and the total number, which is in there, and I want to filter it by, because it says everyone except midnight styles. So if I look here, Midnight Styles is under colour and cushion. So I want to filter by colour and cushion. So I'm just going to click that and drag that here. Then I can click here and select all the ones that I want, which is grey and oatmeal, but not midnight, and click OK. Create pivot chart done. Name it inventory by size chart. Amend the column chart to be 2D. So I'm just going to highlight that, go to insert, and I want a 2D chart, which is showing me there. Oh, bar chart. Okay, change the color fill for the queen to be orange. So queen is this one here. So as you can see, the circles are there. I'm going to click on it again, so only that one's there. Then I can right click and change it to be orange. Amend the title to be inventory held by size. Amend the scale to be going in 25. So I'm going to click on the 0 and then right click and click on format axes. So as you can see, it's going in 50s. I'm going to change that to 25. Click enter. And if I make that bigger, I can see that's going in 25. Just going to move that out of the way there. Add labels to the chart. So labels, and I want values, and I want it outside. Cool. Move the legend to the right hand side of the chart. It's already there, but if it wasn't, I would go to legend and choose right. Resize the chart so it is clear to read. I believe it is. And there you have it. This task is now complete.